Good afternoon, all students. So, I am Dr. D. Akila Devi, working as a professor and head in Department of Pharmaceutics, School of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Vistas. So, I am going to handle a subject called as the cosmetics and cosmeceuticals. So, in today's class, we are going to discuss about a new innovative technology called as it is a teaching methodology called as the Jig Saw. Okay, so it is a novel technique which has been adopted in the subject. So before going into the topic, so you should learn what do you mean by jigsaw and what are the rules and regulations and what are the assessment, what students you have to do. Okay, so jigsaw, it is nothing but a cooperative learning technique. So it has been proved to improve the education outcomes among the students. Okay, so different students will be there. So to improve the education outcomes and then reduce the racial tension. So jigsaw in the classroom, it involves the students learning for each topic. So each group 4 or 5 students will be there. So you have to learn. I'll be assigning you every team new topic, and then you have to prepare the topic. So you have to share the information among in all groups, and then you have to understand about the topic. And students, so finally they act as a piece of the puzzle. Okay, so they will be acting as a piece of puzzle to bringing together to make up a brick that is a big picture. So different teams will be there, and then different groups will be there. So they are called as the subject expert groups, and then they will be learning one subtopic, and then from each group one member will come and present, and then togetherness they will be complete the full topic. Okay, so we will be dividing the students into home groups of 5 to 4 or 5, and then each group will be assigned. So say for example, we will be assigning I am taking the cosmetics subject, cosmetics and cosmeceutical subject. So I will be giving assigning a subtopic to each student. So one student cosmetic and another student cosmeceutical, and another one is regulatory, and then another one is market trends. Okay, so each group researchers, they will be discussing in the topic 4. So after 15 to 20 minutes, so I will regroup the students among yourselves. Okay, then with one member from each of the original group, and then each member, they have to share their expertise, what they share along with their groups. So this synthesizes the new information to create a comprehensive understanding of cosmetics as well as the cosmeceuticals. So assessment. So this group presentation on their findings, so return reflection on the benefits and challenges of using cosmetics and cosmeceuticals and the learning outcomes. It understands the differences between the cosmetics and cosmeceuticals, analyze the benefits and application of cosmetics and cosmeceuticals, evaluate the regulatory framework and market trends in the industry, and then this jigsaw activity, it encourages the active learning among the students, and then critical learning among the students, problem solving, as well as fascinating the world in the world of the cosmetics as well as the cosmeceuticals. So this is a diagrammatic representation of the jigsaw activity. So 4 members will be representing in each group. They will be assigned. They will be called as a home group. So home group will be there, and expert 1 group, 2 group, and 3 and 4 group will be there. So each one member will be coming after the information is shared, and then this information will be completed, and the topics will be finally discussed. So today's topic is about the cosmetic and cosmeceutical. The subtopics to be discussed is, the first group member will be discussing the topic about the cosmetic, Aishwarya, Ramali, Saranya as well as the Sanya, and then cosmeceuticals, Lisuka, Gopika Shri, Pavitra, and then Vijayalakshmi, and then regulatory group, Raman, Ramanan, Vijay Prakash, and then marketing groups, Arun Kumar, Desing Raja, Aravind Dakshan, and then Sharon. So thank you. So let us start. Yes, Aishwarya, you can come and then explain the activity.
Hi everyone, it is a pleasure to welcome you all to this innovative session. And this innovative session is done under the guidance of Dr. Akila Devi ma'am. So we have divided into four groups: cosmetics, cosmeceuticals, regulatory, and marketing. From our group cosmetics, the introduction is explained by Cosmetics. According to Drug and Cosmetics Act 1940, cosmetics is defined as any article that is sprayed, rubbed, poured, or introduced into the human body or a part of the body part, and it is used for the beautifying, enhance the appearance, for cleansing purpose. Uh, Key ingredients used in cosmetics are humectants, example glycerin. Uh, it is used to retain the moisture in the body skin. Next is emollient, example petrolactam. It is used to attract the moisture and retain the moisture in the body. Next, preservatives. It is used to prevent the microbial growth, and surfactants used for the cleaning purpose. Coloring agent to enhance the appearance, and fragrance to impart the fresh odor. Then ideal properties of cosmetics should be non-toxic, non-irritant. Um, it should be manufactured under the guidelines of GMP and the Drug Cosmetics Act. Next will be continued by Ms. Anna.
The first two types of cosmetics are skin cosmetics and hair cosmetics. In skin cosmetics, the main aim of this type of cosmetic is to maintain the skin pH and also the uh, good appearance of the skin. For example, moisturizer moisturizes the skin, and toners they balance the good look for the skin. Then in skin hair cosmetics, it maintains the texture and good look for the hair. For example, hair oil, it nourishes the hair. Then serums, it prevents us from this. Then shampoo, it cleanses the scalp, and conditioners, it improves the hair texture. Thank you.
Samya. And the other part of the cosmetics is color cosmetics, that is makeup to enhance the facial features. Examples blush to facial glow, nail polish, foundation, and lip balm to moisturize. And the other type of cosmetics is personal hygiene cosmetics for cleaners and freshness. Examples soap, detergents, toothpaste. The cosmetics is plays a major important role in the daily life while enhancing the beauty, maintaining appearance. With the proper knowledge, it can be used effectively without causing any harm. The next group will be discussing about cosmeceuticals. The next group will be discussing the introduction of cosmeceuticals. So we will be discussing about the cosmeceuticals. So cosmeceuticals is generally the combination of cosmetics and then the pharmaceutics. So they are the cosmetic products that contains the biologically active ingredients which increases the therapeutic efficacy along with improving your appearance. So it acts as the intermediate position between the cosmetic and also the drugs. So they are generally topically applied cosmetic products which contains the active ingredients which improves your skin health, preventing from the skin disorders and also delaying the aging. Some of the common examples of the cosmeceuticals are anti-aging creams which contain the retinols and then the peptides, sunscreens with UV protective agents, and then the screen brightening agents like kojic acid and then the arbutin. Anti-acne products we have salicylic acid. Next our group. Hello all, I'm Vijayakshmi. Now I will be explaining about benefits of cosmeceuticals. The benefits of cosmeceuticals are anti-aging. Anti-aging includes fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging of the skin. By using of cosmeceuticals like retinoids, peptides, and antioxidants, we can increase collagen production, skin renewal, and we can protect our skin from UV. So another benefits are skin brightening and pigmentation. By the use of cosmeceuticals, we can reduce hyperpigmentation and melasma. So products like vitamin C, niacinamide, and folic acid can inhibit melanin synthesis and improve skin tone. And for acne treatment, uh, in salicylic acid, retinoids can reduce inflammation and bacterial growth. Then skin hydration and barrier repair. By the use of humectant, emollient, and moisturizers, we can improve skin barrier and restore skin barrier. Uh, Benefits will be continued by group here. With this, I conclude the cosmeceuticals. Photo protection and skin repair. Neutralize free radicals. Skin repair prevent. Premature aging. Hyaluronic acid. Natural polysaccharides. Retain H2O. Provide hydration. Increase elasticity. Used in moisturizer and serum. Thank you.
Next.
The next group, regulatory group. The introduction will be explained by physiotherapist.
Good morning, myself Janesh, and we are going to discuss about the topic, the regulatory framework for cosmetics and cosmeceuticals, and the difference between the cosmetics and cosmeceuticals. The content includes regulation of cosmetics and cosmeceuticals, especially in FDA and European Union, and the difference between the FDA and the European Union. Thank you.
I'm here to explain the regulatory framework of the USA and European Union. First of all, in FDA, there is no regulation for cosmeceuticals. Only cosmetics, there is a regulation takes place, and the manufacturer is moreover the most important responsible for that, and it must follow no false line. And most of the regulatory framework, it includes the three main objectives, which means safety and true claims, and then quality of the pharmaceutical products, which means cosmeceuticals.
Who is the regulatory authority of cosmetics in India?
India is CDSCO, Central Drug Standard Control Organization.
Okay.
I'm here to explain the full topic on FDA and European Union. For that, FDA, the regulatory authority is USA. The regulatory authority is FDA, which means Federal Food, Drug and Cosmetics. They are only regulating it. In European Union, there is the cosmetics and cosmeceuticals is regulated by EMEA. Okay. The difference in both of the FDA and USA is it includes four main difference, which means in FDA there is no pre-marketing approval, and in European Union the pre-marketing approval is mandatory, and animal testing is allowed in FDA, and in European Union it is banned. And moreover, it is very important the ingredient required. Ingredient required, which means the color and the other ingredients are limited in FDA, but in European Union it is very strict. And moreover, the responsible person for FDA is the manufacturer only, but in European Union the person who is from the distribution till that packaging, all the members who are involved in this cosmetics and cosmeceutical preparation is more important. Thank you.
From the next group, marketing group, Desi Raja will be explaining the introduction.
Introduction. In recent years, the cosmetic and cosmeceutical industry has grown rapidly due to increased customer awareness, change in lifestyle and demand for sales, and also effective personal care. Market trends plays a major role in deciding how the products are developed and marketed and used. Thank you.
Myself, Marangathan. I am explaining about natural and organic product in pharmaceutical company to about the market trends. The most important trend in cosmetic and cosmeceutical market trend, they are formulating the product in herbal product to reduce the side effects and reduce the harmful toxic substances. By the herbal formulation, the cost of the product will be reduced. Herbal ingredients are aloe vera, neem, turmeric, green tea. These ingredients are so the benefit of the product is long term. So the industries avoid some toxic substance like paraben-free products, sulfur-free products. Thank you.
Next one should explain some of the pharmaceutical companies in cosmetics and cosmeceuticals.
I am Ramakrishna. I am going to explain the sustainable and eco-friendly products. We need to use the biodegradable materials and eco-friendly products and reduce the usage of plastic bags in the industry. Thank you.
Good morning, myself Sharan, and I'll be explaining about how the market trends, how their cosmeceuticals rises. So, major doctors prescribe cosmeceuticals nowadays because it doesn't give any major side effects, and there will be less causing actions. So it gives therapeutic actions as well as. So most of the doctors prefer because it is dermatologically it is recommended. So it is now booming in modern world in personalized and target specific products. So many companies even go through it like Lakme, Shelter Pharma, and many other companies are there in it. Himalaya and many other companies.
Dauber.
So in modern consumers mostly go through this because of less side effects. So in market there is a quote named as like one product, one problem. So it solves a product. A product will solve a problem. So by that, various platforms are there in market to make it as a trend, like YouTube, Instagram, Facebooks. So by those platforms and various journals are also there for cosmeceuticals. So by that platform, we can get to know that their actual ingredients present in it, and also it majorly plays a good impact in market by that actual ingredients and A to Z about the product. Thank you.
So each and every team, so you have explained very well about the different topics I have assigned to you. Okay, so you can appreciate yourself. So that particular member, participant, so he should be coming and explaining, he or she should be coming and explaining the whole full topic. Okay, so what are the topics I have discussed? So start from the cosmetics, cosmeceuticals. So what are the regulatory authorities and then the marketing group. Okay.
For of us from the cosmetics group, we have discussed about the cosmetics. Now I am explaining about cosmeceuticals, regulatory and marketing of cosmetics and cosmeceuticals. Cosmeceuticals are products that lie between cosmetics and pharmaceuticals, which ensures which have the active ingredient, which ensures the medical and cosmetic effects. Regulatory affairs, which ensures that the cosmetic products and cosmeceuticals are legal, safe, and effective, and compliance with the government regulations before reaching into the market. Marketing focuses on promoting cosmetics and cosmeceutical products to consumers effectively and.
Okay, next group. Come.
So now I will give the overview of this topic, cosmetics and cosmeceuticals. First we have cosmetics. So cosmetics are the products which are intended to beautify, cleanse and also improve the appearance. We have the hair care products, skin care products and also the makeup products. Along with the cosmeceuticals or the cosmetic products which contains biologically active ingredients which improves the therapeutic application along with improving the appearance. Whereas in the regulatory group plays a crucial role in improving the product safety and efficacy by comparing with the national and then the international guidelines. Whereas the marketing group will closely work along with the regulatory group. Their job is to understand the consumer needs and also to identify the recent market trends. Thank you.
Myself, I am Roman. I'm going to explain it. Initially, let me go to the introduction of cosmetics. Cosmetics is nothing but a product which are poured, sprinkled, sprayed for beautifying and cleansing purpose. For example, skincare products, hair care products, nail creams, lotions, etc. Whereas cosmeceuticals, the term is derived from cosmetics and pharmaceuticals, which involves uh, bioactive ingredients for improve the therapeutic actions, and finally the regulatory topic, which regulation which involves for India the regulation for cosmetics and cosmeceutics. The regulation is undergone by CDSCO, Central Drug Standard Organization. For USA, it is FDA, and the European Union, it is a list of regulation which is undergone by European Union. For that regulation, no pre-marketing approval is required for FDA, and for European Union it is required, and animal study is allowed for FDA, whereas in comparing to European Union it is very strict. The responsible person for cosmetics and cosmeceutics is only the manufacturing person, and for European Union the responsible person is who are the manufacturer and also the suppliers. Both they are responsible for it. And coming back to the marketing groups, which involves customer satisfaction, it is a primary important, and the marketing company for formulating cosmetics and cosmeceuticals are Himalayas, Minimalist, Lakme, and Cosmoco Pharmaceuticals, and etc. Thank you.
So once again, this is Sharan, and I'll give you an overview about all the topics. So cosmetics. So according to DNC Act 1940, so cosmetics is when it is sprinkled, poured, or sprayed on a human body, it beautifies and it gives a good effect to the skin and as well as to hair care also. So when we go to the cosmeceuticals, so cosmeceuticals is a combination of cosmetics as well as therapeutics. So when both the combination of therapeutic activity and the cosmetics mingle together, it produces a good effect. And for example, if you say like in anti-aging using retinol as antipeptides, it increases the collagen level and reduces the anti-aging effect, and it also helps for the acne and skin brightening. So next is regulatory. So regulatory, there are various regulatory authorities for cosmeceuticals and cosmetics. So US, it is FDA, and for European Union there are various regulations in European Union. For India it is CDSCO, and at last marketing group, that is my group. And in marketing there are various marketing trends in recent years. So various companies has evolved in recent years because it gives more effective than the medicated products. For example, Himalaya, Dabur, Lupin Pharmaceuticals, Shelter Pharmaceuticals. So thank you.
So the activity is going to end. So you yourself can judge which team has explained very well about the whole topic from cosmetics till regulatory affairs. So you can tell a brief presentation. So you can tell about the definition of cosmetics, and then you can tell about the cosmeceuticals and then regulatory agencies, as well as the last one is the marketing, different marketing companies. So you yourself, myself, so my judgment, okay, so this Sharan and Suka has presented very well this team. Okay, so give the all students. So you might like this activity, innovative teaching methodology. You can come out with your own ideas. So hereafter, thank you.